Okay guys, we're gonna be doing a video how to replace your brake lamp from the back, or brake lights. Yeah, so I'm gonna you're gonna need a helper so they can press on the brake. Hold it, all right? So this one turns on, but this one doesn't. This one doesn't turn on. All right, so you can let go. Okay, so we're gonna take off this one right here and this one right here. It's a Phillips screwdriver, so we just need to take it off. All right, so we're gonna take off this one real quick. And then it has 3, so this one's the one that is not working. See, it has like a clip. You need to press it and then twist it, and then you just pull it out. All right. And then you just need to buy one the same. I got this one. Okay, so I got this one for around 10 bucks, and then this one for around 2 bucks. It's less than 2 bucks, but this one is just grease, so it doesn't stick, like the bulb doesn't stick. Okay, so almost forgot the grease.
Hey, Luis va a deshidratar con eso que se quite el suéter.
So it just needs a little bit, not a lot. So that's the grease. Let me record right here, so they can see this. Okay, here we go. And then press it, and that's it. So then we have to put it. You can let it go now. Okay, so there, you clip it in. This is the clip right here that I was telling you guys. This one right here to take it off. All right. So that's it. It has 2 little pins right here, and they go inside this hole right here. And then that's it. Press it. Let it go. Press it one more time, and that's it. So that's how you change a brake light from this is a 2003 Tahoe, Chevrolet Tahoe. Well, that's it for the video, guys. Hope it helps someone out there, and see you later.